Good morning all of you. Today is your English class. Yes, and today we will learn the phonic sound of letter T and U. Yes, in the previous class we learned the phonic sound of R and S. Yes, now take out your book. I can read myself. Then take out page number 3131. Yes. See, this is letter T. Letter T. This is capital T and small t. T for trophy. T for trophy. Trace it with the help of pencil. Color in it. Circle the animals or things whose name begin with the sound of letter T. Yes, do you know the phonic sound of letter T? The phonic sound of letter T is T. Yes, T is the phonic sound of letter T. Yes, let's see. T, table, T, table, T, table. Circle this, then T, turtle, T, turtle. Circle this, then T, tent, T, tent. Then T, tiger, T, tiger. Then engine, engine. It starts with the E, engine. Then piano, piano. It starts with the letter P, है ना? Yes. Then move to next page, page number 3333. Yes. See, what is it in page number 33? The letter U. Letter U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Yes. Capital U and small u. Trace it with the help of pencil. Color in the letter U. Then circle the animals or things whose name begin with the sound of letter U. Yes. The sound of letter U is A. The sound of letter U is A. Yes. See. Umbrella. Umbrella. Then this is alligator. 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 It starts with the letter A. Then uncle. 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 Then undergarments. Undergarments. है ना? It also starts with letter U. Circle, umbrella, uncle and undergarments. Okay? Yes. Write letter U in the blanks. Read the words that you have just completed. You have to write letter U. Okay? See. Bun. B-U-N. Bun. B-U-N. Bun. Then R-U-N. Run. R-U-N. Run. Then H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. Yes. You can hear the sound of A. है ना? Hut. Run. Bun. Yes. Okay. Today's class is over. Bye bye all of you.